Let's take a look at the Delphi technique of group decision-making. In the Delphi technique, the members of a panel of experts respond to questions and to each other until reaching agreement on an issue. The first step is to assemble a panel of experts. Unlike other approaches to group decision-making, however, it isn't necessarily to bring the panel members together in one place. Because the Delphi technique does not require the experts to leave their offices or disrupt their schedules, they're more likely to participate. The second step is to create a questionnaire consisting of a series of open-ended questions for the group. In the third step, group members' written responses are analyzed, summarized, and fed back to the group for reactions until members reach agreement. Asking group members why they agree or disagree is important because it helps uncover their unstated assumptions and beliefs. Again, this process of summarizing panel feedback and obtaining reactions to that feedback continues until the panel members reach agreement.